See? This is what happens after Julia's done molesting Potter. So we have to form it into a ball.
Uh-huh.
Awesome. I think we know how that works out.
And guess what color it will be?
Julia apparently enjoys really stirring it. Hey, can you turn the volume up?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Bring the camera over.
There you go.
Falling off.
See? Isn't that a wonderful looking ball? Julia would know all about that. Kidding, Julia.
This is a really a little bit. It's not long.
It's kind of into a ball.
What's that on the ingredient?
What?
What's that
Well,
on?
you have to really put it in my mother cold for some reason.
Then everybody can see?
Let's see.
It is balling up.
Yes, yes it is. Isn't
I
it lovely?
balled up.
See what I have to do with? Right there. Smile for the camera. There you go, that's pretty. We're just a little bit weird. Oh no, it's rocking.